I am making a super simple cookie. These are my gluten-free peanut butter and jelly cookies, just a handful of ingredients. It's 1 egg, a cup of peanut butter or almond butter, whatever you want to use. I do a pinch of salt, a little vanilla, and a ½ cup of coconut sugar, and I'm mixing it up until the dough is a nice stiff consistency like this. I used a ¼ cup of almond flour in this, depending on the kind and consistency of the peanut butter, almond butter that you're using. You might need to add a little bit of almond flour just to make it a bit of a stiffer dough. All right, then I use the cookie scoop, and I'm going to put the cookie on here. I'm going to press into it a little bit with my finger or thumb just to make a bit of a well in the middle. And then you guessed it, the jam goes in the middle. This is a triple berry jam. Your favorite jam or jelly is absolutely fine. I used strawberry last time, that was delicious. So I'm going to go ahead and form all of the rest of these, and I'll put them into my 350 oven for about 12 minutes. These are out of the oven, and I let them cool just a little bit because the jam in the middle was really, really, really hot. But you can see this is a wonderfully, beautifully baked cookie with all that yummy jam in the middle. Peanut butter and jelly is a childhood favorite, and these cookies are this big kid's favorite. Yum. Hey friends, thanks so much for watching Taylor Kitchen. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to this YouTube channel so that you're getting the absolute latest. And also sign up via our website or via the link in the comments below so that you're getting the latest from us, because very soon we're going to be launching some live cook together events for free, and we want you to be aware so that you can participate. Also, if you have any comments, suggestions, recommendations, please leave a comment in the link below or on any of our social media website. I would love to hear from you. I would love to chat with you and love to respond. So look for Instagram, Pinterest, all the other social media channels via the link in the comments below, and leave comments. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much.